If you're trading right now, this is the best opportunity to take advantage. There's people out there that are spending thousands of dollars on challenges, failing them, and then I get DMs all the time about people failing challenges. What's going on, trading world? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how you should be really using a prop firm challenge as an investment into your trading career and how to get discounts for these prop firm challenges and to go about them. An ideal way of really going about this is to have a company purchase a challenge from the company's bank account and then write that challenge off as an expense every year because you may be doing multiple challenges. And number two, you should always be looking for a discount on these challenges. Okay, most of these companies offer discounts. There's lots of affiliates that you can get them from. There's going to be a link in the description below where you can get some amazing discounts on these prop firms because Trading LP does get them. I shared them for my Discord community, but you can now find them in my YouTube channel. We get some amazing discounts like 12% off the funded trader program, which is a pretty big deal. We have 5% off my Forex funds, and there's a couple other ones. The same goes with a broker. I'm going to keep this video extremely short and to the point so you can understand what I'm trying to say and utilize my knowledge to your benefit. I've been doing prop firm challenge for almost 2 years now. I've been funded for over a year and a half. I've done over, I would say, $200,000 in prop firm payouts. And honestly, they are an amazing opportunity for the Forex community. So if you're trading right now, this is the best opportunity to take advantage of, but you need to do it properly because there's people out there that are spending thousands of dollars on challenges, failing them. And then, I get DMs all the time about people failing challenges that don't really even know how to trade. So the number one thing that you need to understand is you need to be ready for the challenge. Like if you're not ready for the challenge, it makes no sense why you're spending money taking the challenge. So the first thing is you have to be ready to take the challenge. And if you're not ready for the 100K, which I highly doubt you are, you need to start off always with a 5K My Forex Fund challenge. I think it's like $49. If you use the discount, it'll probably be like, I don't know, $45 or something. Super cheap, less stress. Test yourself out on the lower challenges first and then move your way up. All right, now something that I teach in my program is how to pass phase 1, how to pass phase 2. But if you're already at a place where you already know how to do that, or you're trying to figure that out, but all you really want to know is how to use this as an investment, this is how it works. Okay, first of all, your goal should be to start off with the lowest challenge. So if you just want to know how to use the challenge as an investment and get the most out of your money and the highest probability of actually moving forward and not keep failing the same thing over and over again, something I teach in my program is that you should only do a challenge that you can afford to lose 5 times. All right, so that means if you can afford to lose a 100K challenge 5 times, which would be equivalent to about $2,500, if you can lose that, still pay your rent next month and not worry about a damn thing, you can take a 100K challenge. But if you can't, then you need to find a challenge that suits your budget, because if you're taking a challenge that's 100K but you can't afford to lose it more than 2 times, it's going to be a lot of mental pressure and it's going to affect your trading. But if you take a challenge that's maybe 5K, 10K, you don't give a shit, you can lose that 10 times. You'll be much more mentally clear to trade that challenge and you will definitely perform better. And I know some people in my program that they're just connected through a copier and they're just trading the 10K because that's what suits their psychology best. But let's do the math on this. So let's say a challenge costs $500. Let's say you go with one of the discounts that we have. Like we have a discount with the funded trader. You get 12% off. I believe it comes down to like $470. All right. So your goal is to finish phase 1, finish phase 2. Once you have the live funded account, what you need to do, and a lot of people don't do this because they have a misunderstanding of what a funded account really means. It really means on 100K you have $10,000, which is not a lot of money. So you need to risk less than 1%, 0.5% preferably or less, and you need to get to anywhere between 1 to, I would say, maximum 3%. And then if you do this within 3 days, you basically stop trading. If you do it in 2 weeks, you just stop trading. You have to apply for that payout because the first payout will mean 2 things. Number one, you're going to get your refund back. That you need back. That's the investment you just made. So you invested that money, you wrote it off as a tax write-off, and now you have that money back in your pocket, basically making you risk-free. So you need to get the refund back, and that's why you're not trying to aim for huge percentages. You're aiming for less percentages. Number two, what this will do for you is that once you actually get a payout and some money hits your bank account, it could be $200, it could be $2,000. My first payout was $2,800. You you need to take that money and either put it aside for more challenges or go spend it. Go out for a nice dinner. I bought my first iPhone, I bought this iPhone 12 Pro Max with my first payout, and I still use it today. What this will do for you subconsciously is that it will make your brain want more of that thing. You know, we had somebody in Discord that got a $5,000 payout and they had an amazing weekend. They went out and, you know, did a lot of crazy things. And that person came back to me on Monday and said, listen, I'm not going to screw up anymore. I'm not going to make any more mistakes. This is what I want to do for a living. It literally changed his whole perspective on trading. Like, you will literally become a much better trader the day you take your first payout, because you know the money's real, you know it's repeatable, you know it's tangible. Subconsciously, your brain will start acting in a way where it's going to want that payout again. So what that means is you might start following your plan a little bit better. You might stop making stupid mistakes. You might be more disciplined. You might be more strict on yourself. These are some of the things that come later on when you get that first payout. Anyways, I wanted to keep this video real short and simple. Please hit the like button and consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this.